The last thing you want to do is have your student ask you were you wearing a wig. Okay, we Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What am I doing with my hands? Oh, I don't know what to do. It's your girl KIE RASHON. Welcome back to another edition of Beauty Monday. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me chit chat as I get ready for the first day of school. Hashtag Teacher Bae. I'm so excited for the first day of school, aren't you guys? If you got kids going back to the first day of school, okay. But before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So now I'm back with my eyebrows already done. Y'all know me, if I would have done my eyebrows on camera, this video would have been way too long. So I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Now this is my first time using this. I got it the other day when I went to Sephora and got some goodies. And I've been seeing some good things about this, so I'm going to try it. It has like a, what smell is that? Like a medicine smell. I can't think what that smell is. If y'all have this primer, you know what I'm talking about. Definitely really sticky. Look at that. Go ahead and prime my eyes for my little bit of eyeshadow that I do use. So who's excited for the first day of school? I know I is, okay? Yes, okay, yes. Not only are these kids getting out of my house, see ya, but it's time to meet some new little babies, you know what I'm saying? So who would be excited? You get a book, you get a book, you get a book. Congratulations. It's a great time to mold some new little minds and yeah. I'm excited about it. I mean, if you're not in school yet, if your kid's not in school yet, then you know, I'm sorry. So yeah, I just like to keep it very, very simple on the first day of school. I'm just gonna do pretty much 1 to 2 colors on my eyelid, just all over. To kind of darken it up a little bit. The first day of school for teachers is just like the first day of school for kids. You gotta make sure your outfit is laid out the night before, your hair is right, your makeup is right. Everything has to be on point because you're meeting your new little students, but most importantly, you're meeting new staff. Okay? Okay? You gotta come back from summer break on point because you know if you don't, they're gonna be talking about you in the teacher lounge. You know they're gonna be talking about you. Don't come back to school raggedy. Don't do it. On point at all times, at least for the first week. Then I can kind of start sliding back a little bit. Y'all get to know me. Yeah. Got that on. I will be using lashes today, but I don't know which ones yet, so just give me a second. Like y'all, I am sleepy. Ooh, let me get my, ooh, that's good. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my foundation, put that all over. I don't wanna use too much. Oh. Like it's not just seeping into my skin. It's like it's sitting on top of my skin and actually covering. That's what I want. The less product I gotta use, the better. You know what I'm saying? Because we're trying to save all the coins. You know, teachers we don't make that much money. So I wanna make sure that I'm saving as much product as I can at all times. All right, now for some concealer. Because you know, I could go just like this, but it look a little scary. And a little bit of contour. I just want to make sure I give my face some structure. You know what I'm saying? I mean, cause I'm still working, y'all. While we still working, I'm gonna fake it till I make it. Okay? Gonna make sure I don't scare my kids. You know, I gotta make sure I'm awake. Okay, cause they young. They little young things. So you know, I gotta make sure they understand. I'm a person. I'm not a monster. I promise. Yep, I'm still sipping, but it's just, you know, it's morning goodness, okay? Coffee for you little heathens in the back. Now, I could be like, oh, this only took me 5 minutes. You a dang lie. And I do have my 5-minute face. Brows, mascara, and some Vaseline on my lips. That's my 5-minute face, so don't ask me to do one. Don't ask me to do a 5-minute face, because it's not going to be any close to this. It's not going to be close to this. I know my strengths and weaknesses, okay? We're on set. Oh, the kids are up. See why parents be happy to go back to work? This is why. End of summer. See ya. See ya. Let's go make sure our face is all blended together before we spray her down. So I got this pack of lashes right here. It's a multi-pack that was sent to me. So I think I'm gonna keep it simple. I think I'm gonna go with these little So Wispies over here. These may be a little bit too short for me. Oh no, maybe not. Oh, those are just right. Those are just right. Okay, I'm gonna rock with those. And put a little bit of blush on, just a tit, okay? I feel like blush makes you approachable. All right, let's get this hair situated. First day of school, I got my little new wig on. This hair was sent to me by Eullair Hair, I think is how you say it. I did wash and condition the hair already. I also went in and plucked up this hairline because I must tell you guys, The hairline was thickety thick, okay? So I did go in the best I could with enough time that I had to go in and pluck it up just a little bit. I think this is a 13x4 frontal, if I'm not mistaken. It's definitely not a 6. I believe there's 3 combs across the front of the unit, if I'm not mistaken, 1 comb in the back and the adjustable straps. I did go in with a little bit of the Got To Be gel in the black bottle to lay down the front here. Oh, that's coming up. That's coming up. Where's my gel? Got a little slippage over here. Slippage in aisle 9. The last thing you want to do is have your student ask you were you wearing a wig. Okay, cause you know, especially the young ones, they don't care. They have no filters. Put a little twisty at the end. Put a little twisty. Just a little something. Let me do a little something. I think we good to go, y'all. I think we good to go. Oh, let me finish all with my lip gloss. We don't want to do too much. I still got powder on my nose. I ain't even gonna play like I can do that. I ain't gonna play like I can do that. There we go. There we go. Okay, a very quick and simple first day of school type of look, y'all. You can find this unit on Aliexpress under Eullair Hair, so I will put the direct link down below. Make sure you know that you do need to create a login and password for this, just so you can track your orders. So obviously the price depends on the length. I believe this unit goes from like $40 something to like $150 or something like that. It's a very broad price range for any budget. The unit that I got is 18 inches and it does retail for about $95. I believe they all come in the 150% density with the 13x4 frontal. As you guys saw, the frontal was not plucked. I did have to go in and pluck that up a lot. So if you are a beginner who does not want to pluck units and you want to just wear it out the pack, if you like the hairline the way it was, then you know, go for it. But if you want to have a more natural hairline, then this may not be the unit for you. This is how the hairline is looking now, that after I plucked it and did some little messy looking baby hairs. The baby hairs are like this on purpose. I wanted to look like I didn't do baby hairs. Look, I wanted to look like I just kind of like pushed my hair back and my hair is kind of wavy in the front. You know what I'm talking about? That little, the natural wavy baby hairs. That's kind of why I did it this way. So don't be trying to be like, her baby hairs are nasty. Don't be a child, okay? I actually like how it looks, so that's just me though. There is some snags in this unit, but once you start running your fingers through it, then they kind of go away, so just be aware of that. This hair is very effortless in its natural state, so I do like it. I got my little teacher sweater on. Everything is gonna be teacher something. Teacher sweater, teacher hair, teacher headband. I gotta have my teacher voice on. Hi, how are you? So I gotta make sure I look the part. I gotta look the part. Would you let me teach your kids? Would you let me teach your kids? She is melanated and educated, okay? She is ready to go. That is the finished look, you guys. Everything that I listed or showed in this video, I will link it down below. Again, this hair is from Eullair Hair. Thank you so much for sending it to me. I really appreciate it. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to smash the notification bell if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.